Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Difeel Rosemary and mint oil. First, ensure your hair is dry and detangled, making it easier to apply the oil evenly. Divide your hair into 4 to 6 sections, which helps target the scalp and strands effectively. Have your Difeel oil, a dropper, and a wide-tooth comb ready. This preparation ensures a smooth and beneficial application experience for your hair. Now, let's focus on scalp application. Using the dropper, apply 1 to 2 drops of the Difeel oil directly onto your scalp within each section. After applying, use your fingertips to gently massage the oil into your scalp for about 5 minutes. This massage stimulates blood flow and helps the oil penetrate effectively. Pay special attention to any areas where you desire more growth or thickness. After treating your scalp, take a small amount of the Difeel oil and gently work it through the lengths of your hair strands. This helps nourish and strengthen your hair from root to tip. You should leave the oil on for a minimum of 30 minutes. For a more intensive treatment, you can leave it on overnight, covering your hair with a shower cap to protect your pillow. Finally, it's time to wash your hair. Use your regular shampoo and conditioner to thoroughly cleanse your hair, ensuring all oil residue is completely removed. You might need to shampoo twice to achieve this. For the best results, incorporate this Difeel Rosemary and mint oil treatment into your routine 2 to 3 times per week. Consistent use will help you achieve healthier, more vibrant hair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.